Hey guys, it's Tiffany Riley and welcome back to my channel. You probably have already guessed what this video is going to be about. That is right, it is the beginning of Tiff's 31 Days of Samhain, even though I am recording this on Mabon, which is the beginning of the autumn equinox. Some of the videos that I make for the 31 Days of Samhain are already going to be recorded. I just need to upload them. This is one of them. This is just to help me actually keep track with the 31 Days of Samhain and not miss a day. So yeah. If you're seeing this on October 1st, then hi. The autumn equinox or Mabon's almost over. So yeah. But of course, but yeah. Like I said, happy almost Samhain. We are kicking off with the 31 Days of with Tiff's 31 Days of Samhain with a makeup tutorial. Now last year I did a makeup tutorial based off of Morticia Adams, which I thought was gonna go well, but apparently it did not. But oh well, at that time I was still going through a lot, but not as bad as it was last year. So of course, as you can already guess what the first day is, it's of course the gender bend or the female version of Chucky. Now I'm going to show you the makeup and also the outfit Now the outfit, I will tell you guys where it's from at the end of the video and everything like that. So yeah, let's get started. So for the makeup, I'm gonna be taking the Rare Beauty Illuminating Primer. This is the Illuminating Primer by Rare Beauty. Just put one pump of it onto our fingers. And massage it all over our face. Probably gonna need another pump of reshells. I thought we were going to need another pump, but quite honestly not. I'm trying to line up the hairline of this wig with my natural hairline, but it's not going well, so we'll just keep it the way it is for now. Next, we're going to be taking foundation. This is the Weightless, what's it called? Weightless Liquid Foundation in the shade 150C from Rare Beauty. And I'm going to be using the dot method because a little goes a very much so long way. Now I'm going to be taking a flat foundation brush, which is also from Rare Beauty. Ignore my natural hair. I don't have a wig cap at the moment. Well, I do have a wig cap, but I just can't find it at the moment. Let me try and kind of scooch my natural hair back. Now, if you have of course, if you have concealer, go ahead and use that. But otherwise, if you have primer, also go ahead and use that. But I'm just going to be using foundation. Just a little bit of it. Foundation works just as good as primer, in my opinion. It also works just as well as concealer. Okay, of course if you have powder as well, you can do that, but we're just gonna, I don't have powder, so we're just gonna, yeah, not do that. Alright, let me move some of this stuff. Just put that there for now. Alright, now we are going to be taking the Color Story Bright Blooms palette. And we are going to be taking the shade Warmth. And a crease brush. And now Chucky has one eye that looks like it's black and blue, like he's been punched or something. So that's actually on the left eye, I believe. Yeah, the left eye, which is, of course, is much bigger eye. So we're gonna be placing that on our left. I'm gonna be placing it on our left eye. And place it also on our lid. Well, then again, you're probably going to need an eyeshadow brush for this. I don't know why I'm using a crease brush, but a crease brush works just as well. Strands of hair getting in the way. If you see me messing with my wig, I'm trying to get the hairline of the wig straight with my actual hair. Alright, so you want to take the same color again. You want to take Warmth again, and this time we are going to be applying it on our, I want to say our bottom lash line, but where sometimes we put the other eyeshadows and everything. Of course, if you want that alternative emo look, I guess you can call it. But this time we are going to go just a little bit messy. You can be as messy as you want with this. It doesn't have to look perfect at all. I guess you can say it needs to be, I guess, inflamed, like you've just been hit or something. That sounds kind of hurtful, but so you can just go absolutely crazy with this. It's not going to show up that good on camera, but now we are going to take the same brush, and now we are going to be taking the Love Never Dies palette from the Nightmare Before Christmas. I bought this at Hot Topic. We're going to be taking the shade Frog's Breath, and we're going to place that on our crease. And also a little bit towards the brow bone. As you can see, both of these colors, the red and the blue, actually mix together to be looks like purple. This is actually perfect because you want to make sure here comes the fun part. We get to make the special effects, which is the stitches. We're going to grab our Bright Blooms palette from Color Story again, and we are going to be taking 2 colors. The first shade will actually be Warmth. We're going to take Warmth again, and an artistic brush just like so, and we're going to create the stitches. You don't have to make a lot, just a couple here and there. Now for the lips, we're actually going to be taking kind of like a neutral color. So this one is I'm taking the shade, Sunset Sail. This is from Avon. And I'm going to be applying that like so. Now to bring everything together, I'm going to be taking the Rare Beauty 4-in-1 Always an Optimist setting spray. I need to get that piece of hair out of my face. And that is done. And of course the makeup is done. Very simple, very easy. Very simple, very easy. Now I'm going to show you guys the entire outfit. So this is the outfit. This is the entire costume. This entire costume I got from Spirit Halloween. The old crop top shirt, the skirt, overalls, the socks, and of course the wig came with it as well. So yeah. So this was the completed look for Chucky. Perfect way to start 31 Days of Samhain. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. I look forward to actually staying on time this year and filming and posting videos every day for the 31 Days of Samhain and everything. Like I said at the beginning of this video, some videos may be recorded in late September, so that way I could put it up on YouTube each and every single day of Samhain. Leading up to, and of course leading up to Samhain, I have something very amazing, very big, which I can't say right now, planned for you guys. So yeah, I hope you guys are having an amazing day, night, wherever you are in the world, and I will talk to you guys soon. Bye-bye!